discuss what every man should want in a woman. What every woman should want in a man. The books will return at it. Finally, it don't come out. Our phone numbers go there on top of TV. But for those of now we want to buy this book, we'll be done Twitter on top Twitter. But I will talk now. This is now what every man should want in a woman. This one what every woman should want in a man. What we talk see last week. Now say we could start from page 1. They discuss this book until we finish this one, then we'll go enter this one. Those of now when they be say not day Nigeria here, not day Lagos, we want to buy this book. The number where you go call of Latana Ventures, number where you go call now 080-330-14462. 080-330-14462. Then are those who want to buy this book. We're not there inside Lagos. Hard copy. 080-14462. And then if you want to buy them soft copy, and make you not forget, say this book, it gets CD. In case you want drive, you don't want read, you just slot them, or you buy them, you just want give somebody the CD, you hold the book, you feel still do it like that, see the CD here, or you drive, you want to listen to them. Or you don't want to read, you don't want to listen to them, you want to buy them for e-book on top of computer. www.shuzaya.com. Shuzaya spelled SHUZIA.com. You feel pay with the PayPal, anything where you get, you go pay with them. Our phone number is on top of TV. PayPal. PayPal.
No, I just
PayPal. Anyway, over to Thomas. Yeah, more continue where we still.
No, just in case. Susie, baby.
Okay. So, attention. Attention fosters attraction. Attention fosters attraction. You are more appealing when you are giving attention. Now, why some boys, they call some boys playboys. They are crafted, they are gifted, they are highly endowed with the skill of offering specific attention at specific times. Is consistency is the mother of skill. Anything you're consistent at, you will become skillful at. Some of these boys have learned the art. Let me tell you one story. I got one boy when you look the part, tattoo, power bike, and everything. And he one date one girl, be really good girl, church girl, and everything. So when he go to the girl hostel, the girl know they answer him. And he would just enter, greet everybody for a room, sit down for the girl bed, just there. You know, she could just come and go to her friends' room. We could just stay there, make jokes with her friends, laugh with everybody, buy everybody drinks. When it reached time for hostel to close, when it reached time,
you different?
Continue.
When it reached time for hostel to close, she go. In go. In do am for 1 month. He go come every day, 4 o'clock before the hostel open. He don't there around. He go just come.
You not get what they do.
No, this is a move now.
Man on a mission.
He do that thing for
Mission
1
impossible.
month. Then one day he no come. Intentional. He come, but he no come her room. He just come there somewhere far. Now she come down, come they look. Say when he go come, because he don't. When you give attention, when you chill small, now you go come they get attention. You never notice saying a man they toast woman. But after a while, now woman come they marry the man. When he don't show up, pally all in friends. Now she go come they love him. Now she go buy a new shirt. Now she go buy. They never marry you. Now she go buy a new boxer. Now she go because he don't score some kind goals. That attention thing, This girl could come down, come and find this toggle. This boy no go come today. He go up, ask your roommates. Now no see, the roommates to come.
Meanwhile, they always
No. If they see they eventually last they almost date onto marriage before, but you don't catch him. So she come to look out for her. Anywhere she see power bike, you come there say, say where my man? No, do me man.
Obina, good evening.
Hello.
Hello, Obina, good evening.
Good evening. You have been holding on since for a while.
Oh.
Hello.
Yeah, we dey hear you.
My dear, good evening.
Sir, good evening. Okay. Hey,
TV is on.
Your TV dey too loud.
Please, this thing you are talking is on my neck now.
I talk.
Need your advice. Please help me.
We dey hear
Okay,
you.
talk now. Let's hear.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Off your TV. If not, so we're not going to hear you. Off your TV now.
Okay.
All right. I talk. We're listening.
I talk.
Okay. This thing you are asking is on my neck. Hello?
Hi.
We dey hear you, they talk.
Open now your TV where they loud, now make you know they understand. We don't discuss this thing finish. Talk.
Okay, they hear me now, ba?
Yeah.
So, my problem is this question you are asking. What a woman needs from a man?
Okay.
See, please, there's a problem on my neck. These coppers are passed out today.
Okay.
This girl has been in my house for past 6 months. And thank God I'm not at home.
Okay.
The girl came from Enugu. She's studying in Enugu. But she don't want to go now. And I'm lucky to hear this program. Just now, when I need the advice, what would I do to see this girl?
Are you dating her?
You're supposed to understand.
No,
I hang
Obinna,
up.
you want to talk finish.
We don't understand.
You're supposed to understand what
Hang up, when could they talk?
Oh, yeah, hang up, make Pastor talk.
You have been praying with God before.
Hang up, make Pastor talk.
Hang up now. Hang up.
Hello, good evening. Pastor said that you go make two answers. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Sharp man.
Hello.
George, you dey hear us?
Yes, I did hear you, Nedu. Good evening.
Oh, yeah, good evening. Talk your talk. Ask your question if you get to ask.
Nedu, my question is,
Yes.
what if this attention of a 10 where they talk, what if all these people where they get maybe a friend online, the person not in Nigeria, and the person there abroad. So the woman, or maybe the man there Nigeria, that one there abroad.
Yeah.
The attention, how you go take the be?
Skype dey no.
No.
Skype.
Not social media.
Na social media. Skype dey.
Yes.
There, in that situation, you even need to communicate with them more than when you don't even they see them. So that one go feel they compensate for when you go come back or when she go come back. Most times, most people know they fit survive long distance. So now, right, if they break up, but if you want to make them walk long distance, now a lot of work. You go need to look for ways. Now go get phone lines, CDMA lines, you're not go fit calling herself, na fit Skype, na fit tweet. But you need to do them. Relationship no be what you just work out. You need to do them, you know. Or else somebody else where they near and there go begin give attention. And not be say they won't cheat. Now just say attention. Now why this attention thing is very crucial.
Now I make a thought because you get some people where they say their own.
Some people are you.
Yeah. No, not be me.
Okay.
Because me, I don't marry. Understand? So now some people feel no get that kind of patience.
George.
Okay.
George.
Yeah.
George, sorry, we don't answer your question. Moko answer the question of the other person. Thank you very much. Good night.
All right.
All right, thanks.
About you.
The first question.
The first question. The girl don't stay in house for 6 months. Now,
the girl
don't finish service. Just yesterday here.
I mean, the girl no gree go. Now him no one gree the girl.
The girl no gree go.
I didn't know.
Answer this girl.
Okay, I didn't know.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Okay. I didn't know Greet tell us. The other guy will
You
call.
say you supposed to understand.
I supposed to understand. So what did it mean? Say, how you know they she did your house for 6 months and then you just come back and then she no gree go.
Pastor, I not believe say that guy. No, that guy they collect. Then they too they.
He said they don't play football.
Then they play. He talk say they wipe.
6 months.
So
they do am brother and sister na fellowship.
So maybe you don't promise pass what you fit do. You forget say you service now 1 year and you don't promise pass 1 year and suddenly the year don't end.
Now you can't say the girl no gree.
Now hey, say she no gree go. Maybe you don't promise am. Say where you rushing to, you know? But now service don't end.
Yeah.
You want arrange new program. You want start new admissions. You know, but now you want this. You say make this one go graduate.
And you know,
say this one must leave.
Pastor, you know, say maybe what I believe say happen. Maybe this guy in the areas and Ibuman now open now. He don't see copper, fresh copper. They get on the maybe my rent's not finished. You say don't worry, come to my house. You can stay in my place. You get to say how come not? Don't worry, you can stay in my place. Now he don't stay in your place because you look for something. Now you don't finally get what you want. Now you don't need pursue. He say understand again, Pastor. Continue with it.
Baby, it's all on top of it. I say, thank God my husband is right here listening. It's one of what I'm battling in my marriage. I'm so glad my husband is here. Attention.
Attention is crucial. If whether you don't marry or you never. This one now, with this guy they talk, this one
No
Obinna talk. Obinna, we don't even answer you because You don't overdo that thing.
You don't overdo.
You don't enter another thing. So be attention again. You have gone into
what we don't understand.
So the question I go ask now: somebody where they date you, I they ask this question for somebody. If person they date you, apparently not who they date for a whole week, he not call you.
Is it possible? Is it possible? Now, it no mean say it is right. It is very possible where circumstantially, maybe don't do offshore. In phone no.
This one not the offshore. It is on land shore, onshore.
But why the person no call him? You have to find out. You know they pick the call.
No.
See, if you just talk say no be the way in day. Some people go to talk say I'm not very big on communication. I'm not just big on calls. 1 week and on the dates and the thing done this serious. Yeah. My brother or my sister. If
Look at yourself, oh.
Look, if you are practicing that behavior, it's a bad behavior. Why would you deprive somebody
just say I
you're
want
dating?
some time to myself.
Yeah, no, it's okay. People say it, but
that's selfishness.
It's not fair on the other person. You've not found out why, even if it's a text. See, this is essentially what they talk. We don't just make you close shop, close work, come sit down for
they're serious as per saying.
They're serious. They're serious. But even if not just to me, I make me talk say because
text.
to me, if you date somebody, at least if you never hear that person's voice in a day,
you're supposed to just reach out.
If you suppose, it means that you don't send that person. Even if not text message, hey, I tell you when me and Moody they do now when they say they buy 100 naira. If not text message, hey, Alpha, how you do? Well, I hope say you do okay. Pram.
Till you exhaust that
one part message. Anyway, now how we go fit as much we go fit take today. Now be this one. Part 1 we go take. For an introduction now we do today. In fact, we don't enter chapter 1. We don't enter chapter 1 today on wetin every woman should want in a man. Attention, and I'm the one of the theme with every woman. In fact, I like the way Pastor you talk. I say attention go.
Foster attraction.
I say attention.
No, attention will catalyse attraction.
Come on.
Attention, les jouer l'attention, les joues pas les giver, les attractions.
Oui.
Hey! Anyway, for those of you who want to buy this book, go Latana Ventures. If you did Nigeria here, if you did Lagos here, yes. Go Latana Ventures. And then if you're not there Nigeria, if you're not there Lagos, you want to buy this book. Latana Ventures go arrange this book, come meet you where you day. And you go call the phone number, we go call now 080-330-14462. Again, 080-330-14462. Call this number, then go fit attend to you, bring the book where you did. And then you know come there Nigeria, it's very simple. You go still call this number too. But if you want to buy them online, shuzia.com, shuzia.com. Now you go
if you don't fit read them as you they drive yourself, you just put it this inside your motor or your CD players.
Ready for you.
And just be going. We're not ready for you. Take care of your
everything. We're ready. In fact, Nigeria must change.
Whether you are sleeping or whether you are waking, everything.
Nigeria must change. Yeah. Relationship-wise. Because now when marriage strong, better children go come. Our country too go strong. Anyway, double toilet to our Pastor Iheanyi. In fact, God go bless Pastor Iheanyi for this book.
Make I hide my book.
This book must sell.
Yes,
if you not buy, you are not the other. This one now my own copy.
Hide it.
Anyway, I no call your own now.
I don't know.
Anyway, double toilet all of now we call and those will send tweet messages. Until next week Friday again, Pastor Iheanyi go come. We go continue. Still on top chapter 1, maybe enter chapter 2. Still on top of the same matter. Double toilet, good night. Get better weekend.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.